front of me is OPPO Reno11 F, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And to add any photo, click on it here. If you can't find it, select Folders. Look for them here and click on the chosen one to add it. To add another one, just do exactly the same, but twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!